7 Samachir max trapezium. Area of a trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b. So, first of all you must know what is a trapezium. Trapezium means it is a four-sided figure in which two sides are parallel to each other. So, parallel sides are named as A and B, and height, the distance between the two parallel sides is considered to be a h. So, half into h into a plus b, where h is the height of the distance between, height means distance between the parallel sides, and a and b are considered to be the parallel sides. So, area of a trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units, where h is the height of the trapezium and a and b are the length of its parallel sides. So, this is a, this is b, the distance between the two parallel sides is h. So, we will see problems based on that. Exercise 2.3, first sum, first subdivision. Height is given for you as 10 meter, parallel sides are given as 12 and 20. You are supposed to find the area of the trapezium. So, area of a trapezium is equal to, for each and every sum you are supposed to write the formula. So, half into h into a plus b square units. So, it is, you can substitute the values, it is equal to half into, your h is given as 10 into a plus b. You can write within the brackets 12 plus 20. First you will add the value, then you will multiply. So, half into 10 into 12 plus 20 is 32. Cancel means 5 times. So, it is equal to 5 into 32. 32 into 5 means 2 5s are 10, 1, 3 5s are 15, 160. So, 160, if it is given meter means you will write meter square. So, this is your answer, 160 meter square. Second sum, parallel sides A is given as 13, B is given as 28. You are supposed to find out the area. Area is equal to 492 square centimeter. It is given, sorry, h only you are supposed to find out. So, you do not know what is the value of h. So, you are given 3 values, you are supposed to find the fourth value. So, area of the trapezium is given means you write below that 492. This is the area of the trapezium value. Half into h, you do not know, write h as it is. A is 13, B is 28. So, take this to this side. 492 into 2 is equal to h into 13 plus 28. 13 plus 28 means 41. So, 3 plus 8 is, I will show you the addition. 11, 1, 3, 4, 51. So, what is your addition? 13 plus 28, sorry, 28 means 41. So, it is 41. So, h is equal to what? 492 into 2 divided by 41. So, 41 means you cancel this. 2 tables, sorry, 1 time 41, you will get 82 means 2 times. See, I will show you the division. 41, 492. So, 1 time 41, subtract means it is 82, 2 times 41 into 2 will give you 82, remainder 0. So, 12. So, multiply means h is equal to 12 into 2 will give you 24 centimeter. So, your h is equal to 24 centimeter is your answer. Third subdivision. Height is given for you 19 meter. A, that is one of the parallel side you are supposed to find out. You know A and B are the parallel side. So, I have drawn the diagram for you. A you are supposed to find out. B is given as 16. Your whole area is given as 323. Height is given as 19. I have drawn everything clearly in your diagram itself. So, now write the area of a trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. So, area of a trapezium value is what? 323 is equal to half into h value is given. Whatever values are given you write, leave out, write the alphabet, that is the variable if you do not know that value. So, you do not know A, I am writing it A as it is, B is 16. So, 323 into 2, bring this 19 down, divide by 19 is equal to A plus 16. You know division means it goes to the other side, it becomes multiplication. Multiplication means you will bring it down. Now, you cancel this. You will be given values which will be easy for you to cancel only. So, you can divide and find out the value. 2 times means 38. So, only 1 time it is possible, 19. This is 12, this is 2. So, 12 means 3, 133. So, 19 into what will give you 133? 7 times, 9 7s are 63, 6, 17, 133. So, 7 times. So, 133, remainder 0. So you write 17. 17 into 2 will give you 34 is equal to a plus 16. Write this a plus 16 as it is. Then you have a alone this side, plus if come this side it becomes negative. So 34 minus 16. So subtract 34 minus 16. 14 means 8, 18. So yeah, a value is 18 meter. So a is equal to what? 18 meter. So next is height is given as 16, a is given as 15 centimeter. Your b is equal to, that is what you have to find out. Area is given as 360 centimeter square. Area for trapezium is equal to, you know the formula, half into h into a plus b square units. So it is equal to half into, your h value is 16, a plus b. So 15 plus b you don't know. You know the area of the trapezium is 360. Same as the previous problem. 360 into 2 by 16. Into 2, bring the 16 down. It is equal to 15 plus b. So you cancel, this means 4 tables. This is 4 times. This is 90 times. You know 9 fours are 36. So 36 and 90. Again this and this you cancel 2 times. This and this you cancel 45. So now 45 is equal to 15 plus b means your b is equal to 45 minus 15. It is equal to what? 30. So your b is equal to 30. So b is equal to 30 centimeter. This is your answer.